How to fix Snapchat save in chat option. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode right here. As you can see, enable it for 15 seconds, exactly 15 seconds, and after that disable it. And now what you want to do next is go to the Wi-Fi option if you are using the Wi-Fi. And if you are using mobile that network, then click on it. Anyway, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna click on Wi-Fi. Disable it for 10 seconds and enable it. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and then update it. As you can see, very easy and simple. The problem must be solved right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.